Well, hi there and welcome to the ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for July 23rd, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayers of OptionsSource.net. Let's start off with a look at a weekly chart of the U.S. dollar index. This is a great way to gain perspective as to how the U.S. dollar has been doing against a basket of currencies. Well, as we can see here, the dollar index has spent the last 2 weeks within the 83.84 resistance level, indicating some indecisiveness. A break above 84 opens the window for a continuation of the uptrend. A break and subsequent close below 83 suggests a likelihood of a retest of support at the 81.5, 82.5 focal zone. Let's take a quick look at the daily snapshot. The daily snapshot reflects last week's retracement lower with Friday's strong close to the upside. Once again, a break above 84 opens the window for the U.S. dollar to trend higher against most majors. Let's take a look at the CDD, the U.S. dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Well, the CDD continues to retrace lower. However, a bullish reversal candle has formed at a key support level situated at 100.101. This suggests a move higher, which is likely to test resistance at the 102.103 focal zone. Next up, the YUK, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. The YUK spent last week trading lower to test support at the 78, 78.5 focal zone. While we are open to a continuation deeper into this zone, a bounce and subsequent reversal is likely to meet resistance at the 79, 79.5 level. Let's take a look at the US dollar versus the euro as seen here in the ISE FX options pair value EUI. Well, the EUI spent last week consolidating above the 80.81 support level, with last Friday's closing strong to the upside, testing 82. We anticipate a continuation higher with 84.85 as the next upside target. Let's take a look at the BPX, the US dollar versus the British pound. Well, the BPX is retesting a strong support at 63.5, 64. Last Friday's reversal candle indicates the potential for a retest of the 64.5, 65 focal zone. However, reversal and subsequent break below 63.5 opens the window for a continuation lower. Let's take a look at the AUX. The AUX spent last week trading lower, testing support at this 95.96 focal zone. We expect to bounce this week with the 97.98 level as a key resistance to any move to the upside. Let's review our key points. First of all, the U.S. dollar index spent last week retracing lower to test 83. With last Friday's reversal, a break above 84 will confirm a continuation higher. The CDD tested the 100.101 support level and bounced on Friday, suggesting a move higher. We expect a test of resistance at 102.103 this week. The YUK broke 79.5 and continued lower as anticipated. The pair is now testing support at 78, 78.5. We may see a follow through lower to test 78. However, this is a level we expect to see a bounce from. The EUI broke 82 last Friday and spent most of the week consolidating. We are likely to see a follow through higher this week. The BPX tested a strong support level at 63.5 last week. A break below 63.5 opens the window for a continuation lower. However, with last Friday's bullish reversal, we are open to a move higher to test 64.5, 65 as resistance. The AUX is testing support at 95.96. We expect to move higher towards 98 this week. And this has been your ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for July 23rd, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayers of OptionsSource.net, inviting you to sign up for our free webinar at www.optionssource.net.